Today we'll be checking out the Shopify Mobile App by Webkul, and this particular app is a native app that provides the consistency on the Android as well as on the iOS devices. It also provides the customers with the best shopping experience apart from the web browsers, because they can now access it on their mobile devices, tablets as well, and will have a complete experience there for the shopping. This Shopify mobile app is synchronized with your online Shopify web store that allows you to have the synchronization between your online store and the mobile application, provides synchronization of the products, categories, orders, and much more. So if you want to have this particular mobile app for your online Shopify web store on a subscription basis, then you can reach out to the Shopify web store. That's apps.shopify.com. I'll be adding one link in the description below. You can check that as well. Apart from that, if you want to have it in a one-time payment with or without a source code, for that I'll also be adding a link in the description for the Webkul's web store, so you can check that out as well. So in today's video, I'll be just showing you the configuration in the admin backend panel for your online Shopify store. I'll show you how we can set up the home page, how we can add different sections, categories, and the rest of the details there within the same. And then we'll be checking out the mobile end, wherein I'll be showing you how you can check the demo or the changes that you have created in the Webkul Shopify app, and how from the backend and how it appears on the mobile device itself. So let's hop on to the admin backend panel first, and then I'll take you to the mobile end as well. So after logging to your SaaS-based Shopify backend store, as you can see right now, I've logged into my backend store. That's a SaaS-based one. And what we need to do is after login, you'll have to navigate to the sales channel. On the left-hand side, you can see we have the sales channel, and under that we have our online web store, and we have the mobile application as well. But before going to the Webkul mobile app section to configure the backend of the mobile application, what you need to do is you need to choose the products that would be used for your sales channels. And to do so, what you need to do is you need to go to your products first. So just tap here on the products, and this basically lists up all of the products within your store itself. And now from here, what you can do is you can choose all, or the ones that you want to have within your what we say as for the sales channel. That's the Webkul mobile application. Now after selecting these products from the more actions, you'll have to choose one option here, add available channels. Now this brings up this this particular pop-up or this prompt wherein you need to choose, for example, we have selected the 50 products. Now it says whether you want to have it have the products available on your online store or for your Webkul mobile app. So initially, if you, this is the first time that you're coming down to your new created sales channel here, then this would not be selected. So I'll just I'll just show you once again. So you'll just choose your products from the more actions, go to add available channels, and here you'll need to select your Webkul mobile app and then tap here on the make products available. Now this is the first step before you go to your sales channel to configure the backend for your mobile application. So now the selected products would be available for your sales channel, that's for your Webkul mobile app, and they will also be available for your online store. Now coming to the backend configuration of the Webkul mobile app, I'll just tap here in the sales under the sales channel. I'll just tap here on the Webkul mobile app, and now you can see that we have the Webkul mobile app, and here you can see the mobile viewport editor, and on the right hand side we have the configuration options for the options that you choose here on the left hand side. Now let me scroll a bit up, and here under the Webkul we have on the right hand side we have different tabs. So today we'll just be taking you to the page builder, alright, and one more option there. So here, as you can see, under the page builder you'll be able to create the home page of your mobile application for your SaaS based Shopify store. And here we have a page builder option, and here we have the mobile drawer. So the mobile drawer comes here, the three horizontal lines that you can see, that brings up the complete configuration of or the complete options for the different categories within your store. So that can be configured here under the mobile drawer. So if I tap on that, that would bring up the mobile drawer menu. And from here, you'll be able to add the menu items as per your own requirements, how you want to display your categories within the side drawer there. You can edit, delete, discard, and you can also save whatever configuration for the different categories you have set up for the mobile drawer menu itself. Now coming back to the page builder, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how we can set up the different builder components. Now these components can be chosen from the left hand side here. As you can see, it also displays basically the drag and drop options that we have under the builder components here. So here you have the carousel. This is a drag and drop option. So you'll have to drag that up and drop here on the mobile web portal. So I've already added a few ones like the carousel, the slider, newly launched products, on sale, limited offers, a test card, and trending ones as well. Now this is the mobile view, so whatever you are configuring from here for the page builder would be directly visible on your mobile device itself. Now for example, if you've dropped a carousel here, now you want to edit the options within the same, so you'll have to tap that up. After tapping up that the options within that, or the components within this particular carousel, can be set from the right hand side. So from here you can set up the text that is visible at the top of the carousel itself. You can check this option to show the title. You can also check this option to with the with all link configuration. So if you choose that up, you can also choose a category that should be displayed if you want to have that the customer should just tap on that carousel and they should be directed to a particular category. So from here you can just check any category, add that up, and whenever this particular carousel is being tapped by the customers on your mobile device, what happens is that they'll be redirected to that particular category. For now, what we have done within the carousel, I've added a few categories here. So I can just tap here in the carousel, and here we have the items, as you can see. So I've added men's, women gear, women sales, what's new, and sales. Now we can add more as well to the same. If you want to edit anyone, you can tap here in the remove button. You can remove that up from that particular carousel, so the slice would be removed from that within this the content of that. To add a new one, you can tap here in the add item, and now you can choose which category should be displayed after being tapped for that particular slice. So we can add multiple slices, as I've already added, like women's gears, women's sales. So for example, if I choose this one, we can tap here, and this would then be added to this particular slice for the AR product, would then be added to this particular carousel. Now this is very easy. You just need to drag drop whatever you need on your home screen of your mobile end. So here, if I scroll down, you can see after the carousel we have the titles, then you have the slider. So you can take that up and drop that within this particular section here. And if I drop for example, if I drop it down here, so I've chosen new slider. So we can give the name. So the title, yeah, right now you can see within the mobile section here, we can change, for example, test slider, and I can choose it to show the title. Let's add a few items. Let me tap here in the add items. So you can search the products from here as well. So for example, if you're searching for a test product, for example, if that's not there within the ones that you've already chosen from the product section, now what you can do is you can select the products from the Shopify stores directly as well. So if I tap here on the select from the Shopify store, that would display the complete list of products within our online Shopify SaaS-based store. And from here, then we can choose a particular product that's not there, and that would be added directly to that particular what we say as the slider. So right now we're checking the slider. So I've added one product within the same, and you can save with the settings for this slider from here. And to save the complete settings, you'll have to tap here on the save button. Only then it would be visible on the mobile end. Now you'll be thinking how we can check the same whatever changes we are making here within the mobile end. So for that, I'll just show you how you can check the demo, and then we'll be proceeding further with the same. So right now you can see that I had added one title. So this would be added in the last of this mobile end, and I've added this Adrena trekking jacket one product to the same. Now let's add one more product. So I'll just tap here in the I'll just remove this search one. I'll just tap here in the product, and let's choose this Polo sports watch as well. Let's tap here in the save button. Card has been actively saved. This is the test slider, okay, the one that we've just created. Now to completely save the builder components, we'll have to tap here in the save, and the home configuration gets saved successfully. Now first let me show you the mobile end, how we can check the demo. So for example, if you're configuring it from the admin backend like this, and you want to actually see how it appears on the mobile device at the same time, so in the real time, then after having your components like the ones like carousel, slider, here we have, then we have the banner, same we have the grid, then you have the products within the grid, or the tiles within grid, then we have the list option. If I scroll down, we also have a product slider, so you can drag these down, drop them down within the mobile web port editor, add the categories or the products as per your own requirement, or add the category links to the same, and then save it from here on the particular cards, and then completely save the configuration by tapping here on the save button. So for now, I've added the test slider. Now how to check the demo? So for that, what I'll do is I'll just go to the section that's the mobile app. So in today's video, we'll just be checking the page builder and the different options that we can use within the home page, how we can check the demo for the same instantly. Now here on the mobile app, we have provided two QR codes to scan. So for the Android one, you'll have to scan this one. For the iOS, you'll have to scan this one. Scanning this will download the particular demo application onto your mobile device, and then you'll have to enter this particular unique code to access your demo application. Now whichever or whatever changes that you made within the page builder here would then be reflected within the mobile app that you have just downloaded. So now let's hop on to this particular mobile app end, and let's see if the test slider appears on the mobile end or not. So then we'll see the rest of the ones that we've chosen here, like the carousel, slider, banner, grid, and the list or the product slider. So let's go to the mobile app, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be opening my mobile device, and I'll be scanning this particular code. So right now you can see that I've opened one of my mobile device browsers, and I'll just tap here on the QR code reader on the top right hand corner. You can make use of any other QR code reader as well. And now for the what we see as the Android demo, I'll be scanning this particular QR code. In a few seconds, you can see that we need to download a file. So I'll just tap here in the download file, and I'll just tap here on the download. That will start the download. And in a moment from now, after it's downloaded, we'll be installing the app, and I'll be showing the rest of the process thereafter. So I've downloaded the application, the demo application, and now we'll be installing the same onto our mobile device. And in a few seconds, it would be installed, and you can see that the app has been installed. Let's tap here on the open now. And now our Shopify SaaS-based app has been opened. Now on the demo, on the mobile app section where we scan the barcode, we had this particular unique code that needs to be entered. So I'll be entering that particular unique code here, C67444 and then we'll be tapping here in the submit button. And now you can see that our particular store that we have just set up. And now you can see that we have our co-chair store, and from the three horizontal lines on the top left hand corner, I can check our categories. So I'll just show you how we can set up the categories as well on the back end of the store there. But before that, you can see that we have the home page, we have the sliders, banners, grid, carousels, we have the list and the product sliders as well. So here you can see that we have the different sliders. We have different sections set up here. We have newly launched product section. We have on sale, limited offer, and much more. So here you can see our task card as well. Now let's make few changes in the backend, and accordingly then we'll check the same within the mobile demo itself. So for that, let's hop on to the backend, and then I'll just show you the front end. And if you still would be having any issues with the same by configuring the backend mobile and sections here, and checking the same within the mobile end, then you'll have to get back to us at support@webkul.com. Now back at the page builder section here, and we'll be making a few changes. We'll see how we can drag and drop things, and like the carousel, slider, banner, and how we can add the product or the category links for the each, and how we can set up the title as well. Now here under the page builder, I'll scroll down within the mobile viewport editor, this one. So here in the last, if we see, we have one of these like the on sale section that we have added. So what I'll do is I'll just change the name for the same. It's on sale. I'll set it as on sale 1 2 3. It has a sale collection there. We can add more items to it as well. Let me tap add, and let's choose AR product and tap here in the add. Now there are two collections within the same, and let's make it as save. Now let me go ahead and let me completely save the configuration here so that it reflects within the mobile application as well. So I've changed the name to on sale, and now you can see that there are two different sections there within the same. Here we have a slider, and it's slider 1. I'll just make it as a slider with hot deals. Okay, so that's for this. And similarly you can add any, or you can drag and drop any of the carousel, the slider having the products, the banner, a grid having multiple products, and a list of products as well. Now if I go down and if I choose this list, and let me drop it here, I just avoid the on sale 1 2 3. Now I'll just choose show title. We'll set the title as hot products, and from here we'll be adding the items to the list. So I'll just choose a few products from here. We can also choose categories to be displayed within the hot product section as required. So for now I'll just go to the product. So you can see we don't have the products enabled for the same. So what I'll do is I'll just search for a product, and we can choose the product from the Shopify store then. So here's the Shopify store product listing. So let's add the F1 and this product to the same, and let me tap here in the add button. So if I cancel it out, now we can see that we have a form within this there. To add more items, we can tap here in the add item. Let me add one more item. Let's choose this and add. Now we have two, affirm and the arrow daily fit. Let's save this list card that we've just added, and here we have the hot products, the heading for the same, and we have changed the heading for this and added two sub categories there, and the rest of the things are there itself. And let me remove this one from the home page of the mobile device. Let me do that. Okay, after that let me now go ahead and let me save the complete configuration. So the home configuration has been saved. Now apart from that, we can also set up the left hand drawer there. So here you can see that I have already created the mobile drawer menu, and we have added a lot of them. To add a menu item, you can just tap here in the add button, and you can set up the title, for example hot deals, and we can tap here in the add button. So the section gets created as a category, as you can see here, and we can tap here in the edit to edit the same if you want. We can also cancel or update the same as required. And if I tap on that, we have the option to add the subcategory kind of a thing under that. So we can just tap here and we can choose to have the category under that, or we can set a link as well. If we set a link, we'll have to enter the link. Otherwise, if I choose the category, we'll have to go ahead and choose a category for the same, add it. For this segment, I'll set it as sub hot products. Okay, and add. So you can see that now we have hot deals. Under that we have sub hot products, and if you want we can add more under the same as required. Otherwise under the hot deals we can add more sub childs or the category kind of a thing there. Now let me tap here in the save button. We have changed this section here. Let's go back to the home page builder. So we'll be checking the changes that we have made. Let me scroll down. So I've just changed the name, added 2 categories, hot products, 2 products. I've removed one of them, and now let's save the home configuration completely. And now let's hop on to the admin backend, or I'm sorry for that, let's hop onto the mobile device and check the changes, whether these changes are visible there or not, and that's how it works. Now I'm at the Android end, as you can see, and here's our demo shop. Let's tap on that, and okay, I'll have to add the unique app ID once again, so just give me a second for that. And now let me tap here on the submit button, and now I can access my Shopify mobile application. And we had added the card in the last, and we had made some changes there. So let's scroll down to the end. Alright, so this is the card for which we set the title as on sale 123. It initially had the perfect looks only, then we added this other category as well, that's the AR category. Just above that you can see that we had the hot product. So according to how you drop the card, it depends upon where exactly you've put it, and at the mobile end it appears accordingly. So just above the on sale we had set the hot product. So here are the 2 products that we had added, the Aero Daily Fitness Tea and the FM water bottle. So that's how you can make the changes there, and it's just easy. You can add products or the category links there. For the categories you have the option to add the images as well, and it's just easy to set this up. All right, so I think that you surely would have understood how we can work this out. And if you still have any issues, you can get back to us anytime to let us know if you want any help from our end. So that's how the admin can configure the home page and can make the changes at the home page of the mobile there from the backend of his SaaS based web store. And that's how you can set up the carts, carousels, be it the list or the product list. Everything can be instantly set up and would be reflected within the mobile end as well. Now coming to the side panel here, we had created the sub hot product. So you can see that it has now set as a category here, the sub hot product. If I tap on that, we'll be able to see the complete list of products within the same, as you can see. Let's go back, and this was the on sale title that we changed and the category that we added, the hot product list itself. So I hope that you understood how this Shopify mobile application can be configured from the backend panel of the admin, and how it appears on the mobile device itself, and how you can check the demo there side by side by making changes in the backend for the mobile application, and checking the changes that have been done on the mobile device itself. I hope this particular video helped you out in understanding the same. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uds.com. You can also contact us through https://webkul.com/contact. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.